everyone. So right now we're going to
Edaville Railroad.
Edaville Railroad, and I'm here with Stacy and Sleepers over here.
Yeah.
Wave to the camera.
Say hi. Take a picture. Hey, baby.
You too. Thanks, Ted.
Liz.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, I was answering you on
Wave to the camera.
Hello, we're here to see a very special day for Dominic. He still doesn't know what he's going to see yet. Wait until we see his face. Let's see when he gets the surprise. Let's walk around first, okay? And then you can go on rides. Let's go see what everything is. Hey, let's go see something else.
Everybody make sure you lift your guts out of the hole.
Ready? I'm gonna take a picture, hon. Hey, you have
Where are you guys going?
Where are we going now?
You want a hand, Mikhail?
Try drive.
Alright, so we're riding, what are we riding?
Carousel.
The carousel over here. And,
Is it your first time?
no.
Excuse me! Ma'am! Ma'am!
What happened?
Kids crying.
I hate when kids cry. They're like so annoying.
Dominic. Yeehaw. Usually it's getting filmed the other way.
There we go.
Hey, Enrique, why are you playing back here? Oh, there. You can see it that way?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, you'll be in the video. No. I was, but not.
Give him a big hand. Because I'll wait for you if you're going to sing. Who's got a teddy bear? Who's got a teddy bear? Everybody got teddy bears?
Oh, sorry.
I bet you all got teddy bears. Oh, 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 let me be your loving teddy bear. Put a chain around my neck. Meet me anywhere. Oh, let me be your teddy.
You'll still be open to get on.
Babe. Oh, this is what it is.
Huh? The whistles. Yeah.
Yeah, like,
Oh, here we go. That was a
what are
big
we
one.
buying here?
Thomas the Train whistle for Dominic.
That was horrible. I was grinding your chest here.
Here's a whistle.
Ooh, a Thomas whistle.
Hold on, I thought cool.
Oh, it's more excited than Dominic.
No. Thomas is number one.
We are junior engineers.
There you go. Hello, sir.